welcome to the craft table. Today is Make It Up Monday, and that's one of those things where I sit down to the craft table and make it up as I go. And this week the idea in my head is a miniature wishing well for my fairy garden. So I want to make sure that it can go outside and will last at least through the summertime. And I'm going to be using Dollar Tree items. That's my favorite part. I love doing that. So it's going to be a mini wishing well Dollar Tree DIY. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to show you the basics I'm going to start with, and you can see as I go along. Maybe I add a few or subtract a few. We will see. Okay, let's get to work. And there it is. This is my Make It Up Monday mini wishing well, and Dollar Tree items, a few items from my backyard. These little curly Q things they're from my grapevines out back. They're just little wooden curly Qs, I am not sure. And the thimble and the safety pin, they came from a Dollar Tree sewing kit. You can pick these up usually right at the register. I just happened to have it, so I used it. It's basically, I sat down with an idea, had the jar, the pebbles, and the moss, and just went to town and let my imagination go. And that's what I hope you can do. Sit down and let your imagination go. So, I really hope you enjoyed these. And I really, really want to thank you guys. You keep me going. You know, you are my inspiration. And I hope I can get your imagination going. So, if you enjoyed these tutorials and would like to see more, please consider to subscribe and hit the little bell so it will give you a notification. I try to upload on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I really look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. If there's anything that you would like to see me try, drop me a comment. I am more than willing to give anything a try. So I want to thank you again and tell you how much I appreciate you guys so much, knowing that you spend that little bit of time to watch some goofy old lady sit down to her craft table and make stuff. So you have a great week. I promise I will see you soon. And remember, I love you guys. Bye-bye now.